a screenshot from a tool called FTK Imager. The underlying data that makes up the content of a file is shown in the lower right part of the window as hex or hash code. This type of code is one level up from of interpretation from the binary that the document is made of. All files are something like this. The object that we see on the screen is an interpretation of that object through software and other supporting files. So in fact, every digital object is actually a kind of complex performance of the document. It's an interplay of content and software and the supporting files that allow it to be rendered, like plugins, fonts, and even the operating system. So as this screenshot shows, if one of those dependent files is missing or damaged, the performance of the document is impossible. So in essence, you could say the document is incomplete without these supporting files. So in the digital archives field, a lot of people talk about what are the essential characteristics of a document. What are the things that if you preserve, you can say that you really preserved the document. In some cases, the text alone, which is that content layer, would be enough, and you really don't need to worry about other layers like formatting or font. On the other hand, if we're trying to capture pages from the book The House of Leaves by Mark Danielewski as an example, where unconventional formatting is a crucial element of the reading experience, text alone isn't sufficient. So the nice thing is that the same software and dependencies could be used for multiple files. So if you have the software or operating system, you can reuse that as appropriate. Another crucial dependency is obviously hardware. Even finding 5 1/4-inch floppy drives can be a problem, let alone more unique formats like 8-inch floppies or jazz drives.